Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best interactive cat toys for cats home alone that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Churnt 2-Pack Speed 2.0 Tail Interactive Cat Toys. This toy features a motion-activated design with multiple speed modes to match your cat's energy levels. It includes a chirping sound and a lifelike elastic tail that mimics prey to keep your feline friend engaged. The rechargeable battery takes only 30 minutes to charge, offering extended playtime to keep your pet entertained while you're away. Plus, it's made from durable silicone, ensuring it lasts longer even with aggressive play. In terms of design, the Churnt toy is compact and well-built with a smooth silicone surface that makes cleaning a breeze. It's lightweight and rolls easily on various flooring types, including carpets, though it performs best on hard floors. The tail attachment adds an extra layer of fun, but the ball tends to slow down over time if not regularly cleaned of pet hair. This toy is great for households with multiple cats or for those with playful, energetic pets. However, its fast mode might be overwhelming for timid kittens, so it's nice that there's a slower setting available. On the downside, the short battery life and occasional issues with the motion sensor dropping into sleep mode might frustrate some users. Overall, it's a decent option for interactive play, but not the best for extended sessions. Next up, at number 4, is the Babori Interactive Cat Toy Ball. This automatic toy is perfect for indoor cats who need a bit of excitement during the day. It features 2 speeds, fast and slow, and comes with 3 interchangeable tails to keep playtime fresh and engaging. The intelligent interaction mode ensures the ball activates when your cat touches it, making it a great hands-free option while you're busy. The design and build quality are solid, with a silicone shell that's safe for chewing and durable against wear and tear. The chittering sound and bell on the tails are effective in catching and holding your cat's attention. However, the toy's small size may make it harder for larger cats to interact with, and the 5-minute play cycle might feel too short for particularly energetic pets. While this toy is fun and versatile, with a silicone shell that's safe for chewing and durable against wear and tear. The chittering sound and bell on the tails are effective in catching and holding your cat's attention. However, the toy's small size may make it harder for larger cats to interact with, and the 5-minute play cycle might feel too short for particularly energetic pets. While this toy is fun and versatile, with a silicone shell that's safe for chewing and durable against wear and tear, the chittering sound and bell on the tails are effective in catching and holding your cat's attention. However, the toy's small size may make it harder for larger cats to. Its value is slightly diminished by the lack of waterproofing and the relatively short play duration before it goes into sleep mode. Still, it's a good option for cats who enjoy chasing small, fast-moving objects and are curious about new textures and sounds. Coming in at number 3 is the Paw Zone Interactive Kitten Toys Roller Tracks. This toy is a classic choice for multi-cat households, featuring a tower design with rolling balls and a spring-mounted mouse teaser. The sturdy polypropylene material ensures durability against vigorous play, and the inclusion of catnip adds an extra layer of allure for your feline friends. The build quality is impressive, with a strong, tear-resistant design that stands up to clawing and biting. This toy is perfect for cats who enjoy swatting and chasing, and it offers the added benefit of being a great exercise tool for overweight or less active pets. However, the lack of automation means it might not hold a cat's interest for long periods without manual intervention. While this toy is affordable and provides hours of entertainment, it's best suited for cats who enjoy interactive play rather than solitary activities. If you're looking for something more high-tech, this might not be the right choice, but for the price, it's hard to beat in terms of value and simplicity. Finally, at number 1, we have the YVE Life Laser Cat Toy. This is the ultimate choice for keeping your indoor cat entertained and engaged. Featuring a dual motor system, the laser moves in a truly random trajectory, stimulating your cat's natural hunting instincts. It's motion activated, turning on when it detects your pet nearby, and offers 3 speed modes: fast, slow, and mixed, to suit cats of all activity levels. The design is both functional and stylish, with a durable, gearless motor that ensures quiet operation. The adjustable laser head allows you to customize the angle of the laser, making it suitable for both floor and wall play. It's rechargeable, with a 1200 mAh battery that provides up to 2 days of use on a single charge, and it can also be used while plugged in for continuous operation. While this toy is on the pricier side, its versatility, durability, and advanced features make it worth every penny. The only minor cons are that it needs to be placed on a raised surface for optimal performance, and it may not work as well in brightly lit rooms. Overall, the YVE Life Laser Cat Toy is the best choice for pet owners looking to keep their cats entertained and active while they're away from home. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.